So people, by this you must know that Jacure and Popcaan kick off over one groupie, allegedly, and groupie girl, yeah? The two big icon artists them kick off over woman. Now, Vybz Kartel even get involved in the mix and a kind of school the two of them and say, yo, dog, gonna two big artists, what wanna do? What wanna really do? We are gonna talk about that today. And in this video, me are gonna give my whole opinion on the topic. And we are gonna explain some things. How them kick off, what really go on. We are gonna deal with all of that after this.
Listen up, y'all. Can't separate me from a friend. She could have pretty from the root, go right back to the stem. No, y'all, could never make me shoot my friend.
Oh, me fit on girl clown me, not do that. Captain can't turn me round me, not do that. How tell a girl want me want me say good that.
Them man no girl is free. Let me tell you something, if you never know idiot boy and you make she know me.
But she still a come get the national. Man a jenna, me no deal with bachelor. Boy buy a house and car give him wife when you check it out dog. Now what a papi girl.
Yeah, Chaddy Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
What a vibes.
Chaddy Murray TV.
For all the vlogs and recent update, mailing Chaddy Murray. Bototom, Bush, Yaxter said that.
Before me go into the review, I did a feature on an artist in the previous review and I mistakenly pronounced his name wrong. I call the artist Seratuh when the artist name Seratuh. I don't know how me make a mistake like that. But it was just one time I mentioned his name incorrectly. All through the vlog, I mention it right. Alright, so I want to go check out the artist there. The artists have a collaboration with a next artist called Fresh EP, and both of them have a song entitled Conquer the World. So me I shout it out back again and go listen to that song, and me I go play a preview right now.
Conquer the world, shoot to the stars, soar like a bird. Things so we start, now we going further. Mark my words, I go run the world. Just watch.
So people, when you go check out that song there, me I go left back a link in the description. If you are watching on Instagram, me I go tag the artist again. Alright, go and go check it out. Now, let's get back to the review.
Listen up, y'all. Can't separate me from a friend. She could have pretty from the root, go right back to the stem. No, y'all, could never make me shoot my friend.
For the little youth them were new to dancehall, me not talk the big people me know. Me talk the little youth them where if them mother change the Wi-Fi password, them can't listen to Chaddy Murray TV. For them people, that song is entitled Gyal Around Me Head, right? And the artist who sing it is Europe. I think that song was released about 2008, 7, somewhere there so. And it's still relevant right now because basically that a go on. One groupie girl come between two giant artists. So before me tell you what Vybz Kartel say, I'ma go on a rundown of what really take place. So a footer hype come make we really know what go on, which me did all do a video about it already, But if you don't watch the video, they go and go watch it, you will get a wider understanding. But me can still go on a summary. Jacure flying a girl from foreign, from some foreign country. But hold on, come to think of it. The second time Jacure get involved with them girl from foreign and them thing. Jacure, you need to watch yourself, brother. You need to watch yourself. Alright? So Jacure flying the girl and Jacure and the girl are going bill and whatever be the case. I don't know if Jacure and the girl have some form of disagreement. But allegedly, the girl texts Popcaan and say, yo Popcaan, why you forward for me? Zin, me the X, Y, and Z. Jacure must realize that the girl a text Popcaan or the girl a text somebody on the phone. And Jacure must not like that. Because he must say, yo, I am fly around rural, you know what thing already. So apparently, the girl still text Popcaan. Go so booms now and send location and be things. Popcaan say, yo, here what? Rasta, which is Zamunda. Run out that match for me. Zin? So Zamunda run up at the yard now. Cause Zamunda get the address and everything. Run up at Jacure yard. And she say, at the singer yard. She say, a real singer yard, Jacure. And like Zamunda say, nah man. Me not sure about that movie, So, Zamunda goes and reach back a Papi foot. And say, Papi, you know say the mats the way you send me upon it now add up. Something wrong with the mats there. You see me? Look like say you can't carry the one, you know. You have to go make that one they stay. Popcaan I get cross now and I say, no man. You know say Popcaan unruly already. So Popcaan draw couple of him killing them and say, yo, here what? We are go up there. Popcaan take him phone, track down the place and everything. Reach at the gated community now. Apparently Popcaan go so booms and just bleach and wait till somebody are forward out or forward in at the complex. And goes and rush in before the gate close. And people, it's possible. Me nah say me do it already, but I've seen it done before. Alright? So when Popcaan goes so booms now and reach, I say, yo, singer, yo, watch you know. Me I carry home that girl here, you know. Jakura say, yo, you nah left with that girl here, you know. Me nah understand where they pan. You see me? Oh, you fi forward on my yard. I say, yo, you come take my girl. So apparently, the two artists, them are deal with this one group here, you know. Wanna follow me? Alright. Somewhere right there, so some little shuffle up go on and Jakura go so booms and forward out with a lass and Popcaan soldier them there and like them did strap and roar and bag of things. You see me? But at the end of the day, Popcaan head up left with the girl. You see it? So you know say Jakura now go really feel happy about that. But people, based on that situation, me they are try match out who is the clown. And me I go play devil's advocate. Zine, Popcaan can know the Katia and probably treat the Katia on a different level, a different meds. And him not like how Jakura deal with the Katie. Probably him have the girl as him sister, whatever be the case. I don't know. You see me? So Popcaan might rally up there and say, yo, singer, you know say more you me I go carry home the object here, you know. She nah stay right here so tonight. And apparently probably Jakura said, no, we are deal with Popcaan. She nah left here so. Because remember, we done sip on the video how him did go on already when the girl him did try left and people may not know, me just speculate. But we sip on the video what really go on. You see me? So that can kind of cause the little shuffle up and we can look on it and another side. Popcaan, you got the man yard. Got the man the girl for left and roar. I don't know if the girl is in a no physical danger like that or whatever. But you are artist, him a artist, and not even like say you're a regular artist, you're a big superstar as the Vybz Kartel say, but we soon go into that. Why you could just talk out the situation here? And if you see say it a escalate one way, you allow the singer with the girl, brother. Low the singer with the girl because you got the man yard go cause trouble. Suppose things did jump off. You would get the wrong, you know. The man live in a one gated fence round community and we not talk zinc fences. We are talk about some wall we high like what Trump did want for bill. And you go so booms and scale the fence and everything pick lock and go into the man premises. And now you pre the man over a girl. A one groupie girl. Allegedly. Jano Star.
Listen up, y'all. Can't separate me from a friend. She could have pretty from the root, go right back to the stem. No, y'all, could never make me shoot my friend.
Them man no girl is free. Let me tell you something if you never know idiot boy and you make she know me.
Sometime we not fi be too unruly. You get what me I say? Sometimes some important lessons are teach at school and we go so booms and skip it. And every time with his skull class go smoke weed. But anyway, that different. Vybz Kartel, step in here. You know say Vybz Kartel always have a saying. Nothing can go on the internet and Vybz Kartel no give fame input. And this is what Vybz Kartel have to say. Vybz Kartel say, two giant a fight over groupie. Run with the girl and drop a collab umbre. Who agrees say the two artists them for just, you see me, part ways with the girl or put aside them differences and drop a collab. I want to drop 1 million likes on the video, yeah. Yeah, man, 1 million likes on the video. Anyway, still, I hope Popcaan and Jakura work out them differences. And me tell you, when me think already from both artists. You see me? Now a time for you to tell me what you think in the comment section. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about the topics we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? A one way and any other way are the wrong way. My gone.
Say them a gangster, them gyal a run them head. Tell them when fi touch the street, when fi got them dead, yeah.